Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fast travel anywhere in Forza Horizon 6. Now, fast traveling is a super good and helpful quality of life feature that's in the game, and it is free to do and super seamless. All you need to do is open your pause menu, open the world map, and then find somewhere you'd like to fast travel. Now, keep in mind, you can only fast travel a road that you've been to before. These roads are white, meaning that I've been to them before, and the dirt roads are orange, meaning that I have been to them before. If I wanted to fast travel here, I wouldn't be able to, as it is greyed out, and I haven't explored that part of the map yet. So if I wanted to go here, it's white, meaning that I've explored it and I can go there. All I need to do is select X or square if you're on PlayStation, and then click yes to fast travel. A super quick loading screen will pop up, and then you will arrive in your destination. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. See ya.